Hi guys, so today I'll tell you something very interesting about one of the equity trading strategies, which is known as opening range 15 minutes breakout or breakdown strategy. So on this chart, I have opened Adani Power Limited share, where you can see that Adani Power Limited has made a high of 245.6 in the first 15 minutes, and the second candle is the low for 241.4 price. So now, as per this strategy, if any of the candle which comes after 15 minutes breaks out and closes above the opening range or breaks down and closes the below range, then the confirmation is happen and then you can take a trade accordingly. So in this case, you can see that the next candle just after the 15 minutes where the candle gets closed at 9:35, this candle comes and close this down below the opening lower range of 240.5. So accordingly, this is the confirmation candle on which you could have taken a trade and you could have made almost 3%. See, this signal came at 9:35, right? And afterwards, stock did not go up. Stock kept moving down and it closed at 233. So this is approximately 3% that you could have gained if you would have taken a short trade. But what is more important here that we can't look for all the stocks which are giving breakout confirmation or breakdowns confirmations. So we will have to find some way where we can get the live confirmation updates. So in such a case, you can refer to a website called FinBizNet, where you will get the live notification of these 15 minutes breakout or the breakdown. For example, you just go to the FinBizNet website, then go to their trading signals. You can just activate the notification here, and then you will be getting the live signal here. Now we look into the Adani Power stock. You will see that Adani Power stock notification came around 12 hours back, which is approximately or exactly, I would say, the same time of the candle where the confirmation came. So if you would have taken the trade, you would have made 3% approximately. But again, what is more important here that you get the signals of 15 minutes range breakout or breakdown, and accordingly you can plan your trades. So I hope with this trading platform, you can play your game much better and will make some better money for yourself. I hope you would have liked this video. Don't forget to follow me, guys. Bye.